Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival, this time it's a little DS3, 1.2 petrol. It is a DStyle Nav, so this one's got touchscreen sat nav. 2015 on a 15 plate, nice clean little car. Does look the part with the black roof. It's done 62,000 miles. It will come with a service, it will come with a new MOT, and it will come with 3 months parts and labour warranty. It does drive well. They are popular little cars, these. Good on fuel, £20 a year to road tax. Can't really go too far wrong with one of these, always good sellers. It's all nice and clean inside, it's all just been valeted. Got sport seats, say touchscreen media, climate aircon, cruise control. It's done 62,860 miles as we do the video today. So yeah, it is a nice little car. Electric windows, electric mirrors, all the bits and bobs that you'd expect. More pictures on the website, it's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call 07 868 722 133.